Hi, I'm Elizabeth, one of the nutritionists here at Meridian Medical Associates. Today, let's talk about breakfast. If you're someone who skips it or grabs something quick, like just coffee, you're not alone. I meet a lot of patients who skip breakfast at first. But here's the thing. Breakfast isn't just about starting the day right. It actually helps you stay focused, feel less tired, and avoid overeating. When we go too long without food, our energy dips and cravings go up. That's usually when we reach for sweet or salty snacks, which can lead us to eat more than we planned. So what should breakfast look like? You don't need to cook a full meal. You can keep it light. Ideally, go for something with protein, fiber, a little healthy fat. Some simple combos, maybe eggs with toast and avocado, oatmeal with nuts or seeds, Greek yogurt with banana or berries. Even leftovers from last night's dinner can work. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to fuel you. Try having breakfast this week and see how your energy and mood shift throughout the day. Let us know your go-to breakfast in the comments. And follow us here at Meridian for more simple, doable tips for everyday health.